this English lesson, you are going to practice number one English speaking technique that will help you to speak more confidently, more accurately, and more faster as well. Now, how does it work? Just listen to me and repeat after me. Hey, today in this video, we are going to talk about the two most important questions that are being asked by our family members. What can be the answers, or how can we answer those questions? The most frequently asked question by our family member is, how was your day at work? First of all, we're gonna talk about some good days at work, and then later on we'll be talking about some bad days at work, and we'll be practicing both of these by using some of the sentences. So let's get into the video. And first of all, we're going to talk about some good days at work, and please repeat after me, repeat after each sentence. Right, it really will help you improve your English. Right, so let's get started. Good day at work. The first answer that you can give is, it was good. I was glad that my manager let me leave earlier, so I was able to go home and relax. Please repeat after. Now the second one. It was interesting. I had a meeting with my sales manager and it went excellent. It's your turn to speak. Next. It was a hectic day because today was my first day on the job. I'm still settling into my new role. Please speak. It was a steady day. I focused on managing stocks and supplies. It's your turn. Overall, I can't complain. I learned how to use the cash register for the first time, which was new thing for me. Please. It was very productive. I spent the day driving between job sites and fixing small problems. Yes, please. Good job. And now some bad days at work. The first one is, it was quite frustrating because one of my teammates was off today and I had to do some extra work. Please speak. It wasn't such a good day for me because I was called into my boss's office. Apparently I made a mistake and he scolded me. Please. Nice job. I'm exhausted. I had five clients today and usually I only have two. Yes, please. Nice job. To be honest, today was a rough one. Two of my clients were so irritating and I had to explain everything repeatedly. I feel drained because I was in the heat all day. I'm glad that's over. Yes, please. Great. My day was non-stop. I was up to my ears in work and didn't even get my break. Yes, please. Well done. The day seemed like it would never end. I feel like I was being pulled in every direction since we had so many customers.